Hi, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle. Now, you remember I was hunting in the shed the other day and I found the polytunnel, what was it, 8 foot by 6 foot or something like that. Well, I had a look in the garage at home and I'll show you what I found there. Okay, I found this little polytunnel. It's 3 foot by 6 foot by 2 foot high. Budget, got it cheap on eBay, and it should be okay. I mean, you spruce it up a bit, make sure it's anchored. Hang on, got it wrong there. It's 3 meters by 6 meters by 2 meters high. As I said, I bought it on eBay, dirt cheap. It was the end of line, so they don't make them anymore, and it's been sitting in my garage waiting for us to prepare that back of the plot in the heart of darkness. As well as that, I've also bought a couple of extra bits to add on to it to sort of like make it more functional, and I'll show you what I'm going to be doing with that. But I've started putting it together, so I will show you what I've done so far. That's the frame up. I need to square it off, and then I need to get some anchors in and concrete them in, and then I get around to adding the extra bits, which I will let you know when I get to them. So I will see you on the next instalment. See you later.